Friends and family, I'm checking out this property here in Chula Vista, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, right next to Hilltop Drive, prime location. Let me know what you think. Let's check it out. And if you didn't know, I'm a real estate agent here in Southern California, San Diego. If you're looking to buy a property, sell a property, give me a call, shoot me a text, 619-928-1031, or shoot me a message on Instagram, Alfaro Realty. And let's get back to the video. Today I'm taking you inside this beautifully updated home right in Chula Vista, California. This is listed at $784,000. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 baths, over a little over 1,000 square feet of living space. One of the biggest highlights is the paid off solar that this property has. If you're a first time buyer looking for an updated home in San Diego County with space to grow, this could be a great opportunity for you. This property is completely remodeled from head to toe. As soon as you come in, you're greeted by bright, inviting layout and matching floor throughout the whole home, giving it a clean and modern feel. Now let's check out one of my favorite parts of this property, this backyard. You have a huge outdoor space with so much potential. You can create the perfect area for the weekend barbecues, add a play area, build your dream garden, or design your own outdoor entertainment space. A backyard like this gives you opportunity. Moving into the kitchen, you'll notice the updated finishes, modern cabinets, and a design that combines style and functionality. This is a great space for anyone who enjoys cooking, hosting, and simply having a comfortable area to gather with your family. Down the hallway, you'll find 3 comfortable bedrooms along with 2 updated bathrooms featuring modern touches and a fresh, clean design. Whether you need a home office, guest room, or a space for a growing family, this floor plan gives you all the flexibility you need. What do you think about this property? What are your honest thoughts? To me, I think they did a really good job on the layout of this property, the matching floor plan throughout this property, the design of the kitchen, the design of the bathrooms. Basically, everything that you need feels very modern to me. And this is definitely something that I personally would live in. Would you live in this property? Do you think this property has potential? Let me know in the comments. This is right off of Hilltop Drive here. The location is absolutely perfect. Nearby schools, elementary schools, high schools. You have commercial property right next to it. So you got shopping centers right next to you. Really right in the middle of everything. You cannot miss a beat. Now let's check out one of my favorite parts of this property, this backyard. You have a huge outdoor space with so much potential. You can create the perfect area for the weekend barbecues, add a play area, build your dream garden, or design your own outdoor entertainment space. A backyard like this gives you opportunity and to make the home truly your own.